Today we'll talk about how can you enable new rank notifications on your Braille app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on profile down. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, you click on it here. When you just click on it here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on profile here. When you just click here on profile here, it's going to take you to next step. Sorry, we'll go back. You click here on notifications here. When you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, come here to new rank, click in this sign. That like you see this color show for us. That's my new rank notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.